Meaning me, myself, and we, okay? Us. Oh, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. So today's video is brought to you by HayQueenCrowns. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. I'm also collabing with another one of my wig baes by the name of Gladys, but you guys know her as Is That Your Hair? Listen, is that her hair on her head right now? I can't tell. Okay, can you? Because best friend, okay, she be doing a thing. She be doing a thing and putting this on when it comes to the natural hairline looks, and most recently, the clothing hauls. Okay, y'all, I have spent so much coin shopping her clothing hauls. It's ridiculous. Okay, so if you want to see what my best friend got going on today, make sure you check her video out, okay? Because listen, she gives the looks. Now, before we get into my look, I will be showing you guys the glueless install of this unit as well as how I curl my unit. We'll be talking through that part, and then I'll be showing you guys my new updated makeup routine that I use less products for to get my face like this. Y'all, when I say I look good, I mean, I'm not lying. Your girl is married for a reason, okay? Slam dunk. Oh, I ain't got no sense. I ain't got no sense. I surprise myself daily because before starting this video, I wasn't feeling it. I just wasn't feeling, you know, in the mood. But y'all, a little hair and rouge, like my dad be saying, a little lipstick and rouge. It gets me together sometimes. Sometimes you just need to, you know, uplift yourself. And if that means putting on some makeup and doing your hair, then do that, okay? So before we get into all this, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so before we get into our makeup, we're going to install our wig. This unit is from, like I said, HayQueenCrowns. Pretty sure this is a 5x5 closure. All the specs for my unit will be right here on the screen as well as below in the description box. So you want to check this unit out for yourself, you can. It always comes through with the highlights for me. It also comes pre-styled. So if you are someone who doesn't want to do a whole bunch of styling for your unit or needs like a, you know, a good base, a good starting point, here you go. Okay, here you go, sis. I think I want to wear this glueless, but I may spray her down just because, you know, I just maybe a little extra, I don't know. Hold on, my eyes are oily, goodness gracious. That face oil got down in my eyes. Ooh, I can't see, it's blurry. Okay, I do need to put on my wig grip though. Whether wearing my wig glueless or sprayed down, I always wear my wig grip because it does release tension on my temples. I don't know if y'all have noticed or not, but I have a big dome. So I gotta make sure, you know, I'm not getting a whole bunch of pressure around my temples because, you know, I'll pass out real quick, okay? Concussion, here I come. We're not doing that, all right? Let me cut off the lace on the back. Can't find my little pretty scissors, so I'm gonna use these little janky kitchen ones. It does have the combs and the straps in the back. I'm gonna take off the adjustable straps just to see how this fits on my head. See if she fits down big head friendly or, you know, big head associate. We'll see, we'll see. If you don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to the sizing of my wigs, you can see the description box down below. I put that all down there. Oh, look how that blended right into my daggone forehead. Listen, she always comes through for me, okay? Always, always. Got the little adult swoops right here on the side, so if you wanna rock those, you can. I think I'm going to spray her down. It all depends on how I feel once I cut the lace off. Let me see how she gonna sit. My little razor and just cutting right across. Okay, wait, let's not mess up baby hers. Come on, get off of there. Okay, so I actually could definitely rock this unit glueless, and I think I'm going to. Let me pin these combs up under my wig grip, under the wig grip. I don't slam them joints in the into my hair. That's how you lose your hair, okay? Put them joints under the wig grip and call it a day. I think that looks pretty good, y'all. I mean, we appreciate the gluelessness, okay? I like that, thank you, thank you. Now, as far as the curls are concerned, they got a little janky because of the packaging, so I will need to go in and recurl that. So let's go ahead and turn on our little curling iron here. I was really looking into ordering the new, not the new, but that, what is it, Baeless? The Baeless flat iron and the curling iron, all that kind of stuff. Y'all, them joints is expensive. Like, I was really tempted to go ahead and drop that $180 on that joint, but I just can't do it. So I'm always looking for a dupe. So I just got me a dupe for like, I think it was like $30. So once that gets here, we'll see how that turns out when I use her. I do want to have some volume up in this joint. Pretty sure this is all one length. I mean, it's a little bit of layers, nothing, you know. The hair texture feels amazing. Let me move my mic down so it don't be hitting on my shirt. I hate that when I'm watching videos and their mic be right there on their shirt and they be, look. Move that daggone mic down, sis. So this side, the curls pretty much stayed how they were, I think, but this one kind of got a little unruly. Y'all see how flat she got that on top though? Look at that. Y'all saw how it came? Okay, she got that joint flat on me. Look at that, look. Now I know some of you guys want to ask me, can you change the parting space? Yes, because you do have the parting space up in here. However, the highlights are not all the way, like they're through the unit like this, but it will change the highlight for the top part up here. So just be mindful. You'll still see them, but they won't be as bold, okay? So I'm going to put some curls in this unit.
Him and Ben are waiting on their assignments now.
All right, well, let me do this because I want to talk through this.
That's fine. I still need to actually, supposed to be setting up the African American Heritage Committee. My area for what?
Well, because I said, come on, let me finish this, and you're like, oh yeah. Go ahead.
No, I drag it out, baby. I don't know how to get to the point sometimes.
What?
All right, love you.
Love you. Love you. So bye. I'm popping on in because I know some of you guys be asking me, you know, how do I curl my units, or, you know, even though you watch it, it's kind of sped up. I didn't know that some people don't know how to use a curling iron. I know my girl, Sherelle, aka Natural Joy, she says she doesn't really use a curling iron. She likes to use her wand curler or like her flat iron, but she doesn't, you know, use a curling iron. I have trouble using or curling my hair using a flat iron or a wand curler, but I can whip this joint like nothing. Okay, listen. This is what I learned on. So I'm gonna show you guys how I curl my hair. All right, so take a section of hair. All right, and I'm curling both sides back the direction that they are. Okay, so I'm curling this one back on this side. So I just, you know, open it here, place it at the base as close as I can get it without burning my ears off, and then I start to curl because I want these curls to be a little bit tighter for the look that I want. Now, even though this is a bigger barrel curling iron, the hair is still too long to just wrap all up in there at once. Normally you bring the curling iron all the way down, then you roll it back up. No, I start curling as soon as I put it in there. So I curl it from here, and then as it heats up, I just start twisting it and moving it slowly down by opening up this little, you know, the handle a little bit. So I just leave it here, open it a little bit, twist it down, hold it, open a little bit, twist it. And as I'm doing that, more hair is being added from this little section here. So that's all I do when I need to curl a longer piece of hair. And as you see, the rest of the hair is getting, you know, pulled up. Still twisting, still twisting. See how I was looking? Twist and down. All right, so that's what I did. And that's how I curl my hair. And I would say it is easier to curl the unit off my head. However, it does take me longer because I'm making smaller sections. When I have the unit on my head, I'm just grabbing pieces and I'm going. But when I don't have it on my head, I'm trying to, you know, make sure I maximize the amount of curls that I put on my head. And that's just, sometimes that's too much, okay? Sometimes I don't need that many curls. And I thank, again, Sherelle for showing me that method. Like, it wasn't anything crazy that she did. She was just curling her hair. But the way that she did it, I was like, oh, here I am going across and trying to curl my hair when I can just go down the middle and then curl each side and be done. Like, yeah. So definitely shout out to Sherelle. If you guys do not watch her, listen, go over and show her channel some love because she definitely shows us how to melt, okay, a unit. When I say melt, I mean scalp. She knows how to lay and slay her wig. She does not play when it comes to the wig slayage. That was another little Wig Bae shout out. Okay, I didn't plan on doing that, but it just fit. It just fit. And she also features these wigs on her channel as well. So you can definitely go and check her out to see what wigs she has featured from them. That little soup is just sitting there chilling, y'all. Look at that. I don't know why that makes me laugh, but it does. It's just like, here I go. And y'all, soups are not something that you have to wear in your units. I could brush that joint back and be just fine. It wouldn't bother me. And it wouldn't bother me if somebody else decided to leave theirs. Like, I think some people put too much emphasis on, oh, swoops or baby hairs or whatever else. Like, it's not that deep. Oh, I would rock it, but you did them swoops on your hair. Like, okay, the key word was you did the swoops on your hair. Meaning me, myself, and we, okay? Us. I did the swoops on my hair, so why are you upset? You don't have to do the swoops. Listen, let it go. Let it go. People gonna rock their hair how they wanna rock their hair because it's their hair. It's on their head. Let people do what they wanna do. They're going baby shark is going to work. Go, put it upstairs. Hey, last curl. Y'all see how that, look at that lace. I'm lifting it up. No makeup, y'all. I think I'm gonna wear this all day. I'm gonna use my Garnier Fructis Full Control Hairspray. Let me take off my glasses because I don't want no residual on them joints. Hey man, what's going on? Come on out, Cletus, god dang. You don't wanna come out? I got a full bottle here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do our makeup before we get the rest of our hair done because it's gonna be real simple. First, I need to make sure I prime my face. Uh-oh, wait a minute, am I running out? I'm running out of this too. I need to make a store run because I'm running out of everything. Okay, let me go ahead and do the brows real quick. Okay, done. If y'all want an eyebrow tutorial, then you know I have one linked down below, but I do have some updated products that I have been using. So if you guys want an updated brow tutorial, let me know down below. I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible concealer to prep my eyes, nothing crazy. This is in the color 415 Honey. Honey, 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 honey. And keep blending and blending and blending. I got a pimple right here in between my eyes. Like, how dare thee? That's weird. Okay, now I'm going to use my, y'all know I can never find nothing. Don't judge me, okay? Judge your pappy. I'm gonna put some setting powder to make sure that concealer doesn't move. This eye makeup is gonna be real easy. You use Place palette right here. A mix of the dark brown and this little rust color right here. Put it right on the outside corner of my V. Like that, and then brush her up to my brow. And then blend her down towards my eyeball, bring it back up. I'm gonna bring it into my crease as well, just a tad. Cause we're blending. A little harsh right there. Okay, we're gonna work it out. Work it out. Okay, so while I'm doing this, let me talk to y'all. What are y'all plans for the holiday season? I mean, are y'all doing like, what's the thing? What's the thing that people be doing? Elf on the Shelf? Y'all, do y'all do that for y'all kids? Like my 12-year-old be asking me, you know, can we do Elf on the Shelf? I'm just like, no. I don't got the patience. Okay, I don't have the patience. I always wanted to do it when he was a little bit younger, but then I started seeing people like what they actually have to do, and I don't feel like it started out like that. I feel like the Elf on the Shelf started out like just something very simple. Like, oh, you know, you put him here, you move him around, you know, he just pops up sometimes. He may write the kids a little letter sometimes, whatever. But now it's like, this little elf been getting into some trouble. Okay, he be in the toilet paper, he be in the toothpaste, he making a mess. Like, what? Little Jenny Elf be running amok, and I don't got time for that. Okay, I don't got time for that. Cause let her not move one night, my kids gonna have questions. I can't. Look, she was tired. She had a little bit too much to drink. Okay, and she went to bed early. I don't know. Okay, now I'm gonna use this, you know, this creamy tan color right here. It's hitting pan, y'all. I use that joint a lot. I'm gonna follow my eyeball in my crease and just put that on my eye. Your eyeball literally has its own crease. Like, you can see it, you know, you can see the crease, whatever. And it also has its own shade in there. So if you just follow that line of that shade, your eye makeup will come out good every single time for your face, okay? When I try to do the makeup for other people's faces and try to give myself the cat eye, following their rules, it came out like some trash. Now that I know how to do the makeup for my eye shape, it comes out gorgeous every single time. That's how I do that, y'all. Nothing crazy. A little bit more than 3/4 of my eyes, what I'm using this shadow for. Let's go back in with the first fluffy brush. Blend all that together. Okay, I think we're good right now for the eyes, so then we're gonna move on to the face. This is where I change up some things. So I'm gonna first go in with my concealer and my concealer hot spots, which is under my eye, my cheeks, my chin, and the middle of my forehead. Makeup is subjective to the person wearing it. But then I start blending from the bottom around, and the last thing I'll blend is the part under my eyes. I want it to be dried down, baby. Okay. Now, do y'all let y'all kids do like a Christmas list? Is that a thing? Do y'all still do Christmas lists, or you know, do your kids tell you what they want, or you just kind of go out and buy whatever? Like, I remember like the first couple years, we would tell our parents what we wanted or whatever, but then after a while, they were just like, we'll buy you what we want, okay? And I think I like that more because it was kind of like a surprise. Like, I didn't know what I was gonna get, you know what I'm saying? Let me get this one in because I don't want that to be highlighted too much. The smallest pimples in the weirdest places be hurting the most. Like, dang. So you look a little crazy right now, but don't worry. While the rest of my eyes drying down, I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm gonna put the foundation just in these sections here. I'm gonna take my foundation brush. I'm gonna go over. First, I'm gonna fill in that space before I go over the concealer. Go up in there like that. I'm gonna go over that part there, okay? Around my hairline. I'm not going under my eye because obviously that's where I want my highlight to be. Now I need to start blending in the rest of my concealer. And I've noticed when I do it this way, I use a lot less product because I'm not putting the foundation under my eye, which can cause extra creasing if it doesn't dry down properly before I do my concealer. That's all I wanted to show y'all. Nothing, you know, nothing crazy. If you want extra highlight, just go in with a little bit more concealer under your eye. Now I still do a little bit of contour, bring it up under the my eyebrows. Dang, I could not get that out. Let's do our powder. Ooh, that's a lot. That is a lot. Okay. Here. Use a little bit of my honey shade. Oh, got it on my nose. Lord. Crack is whack. I ain't got no sense. Contour on the face. Right here on the cheeks. Get that jaw together, but you know, I ain't gotta use as much because you know, I'm coming together. Listen. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Ooh. That intermittent fasting, y'all, been working for your girl, and I'm here for it. And then brush this off. Okay, y'all see how the face came together? Let me use my nudes palette now, using this lighter shade right there. Look at that. Y'all see that? Before my face is done, my eyeshadow always looks a little janky, but when I put them finishing touches on the face and I go back to the eyes, listen. All right, now normally I use my, you know, my Morphe spray, but I'm out. Okay, your girl is out. So I'm gonna use my Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist. You know, it's not really a setting spray, but you can use it like, you know, to set your skin and feel refreshing, whatever. It's water in a bottle, so I'm gonna spray my face. Basking in the ambience, basking in the ambience. Okay, now let me go ahead and change my clothes real quick, get my outfit together, and we're gonna come back and finish up this look. Okay. Clothes are on, lashes are on, no lipstick yet. Let's try to get this hair how I want it. Comb it out like that with my fingers first. I don't want to comb it all the way through. I kind of want to make sure the curls stay intact. Can't even see the little swoops. So again, you don't want to wear the swoops, you don't have to. Yeah, baby. I'm gonna change out my earrings real quick, because even though the pearls are cute, shout out to Ken for getting those for me. They're linked down below if you don't know what they are. Ow. I scraped my thumb like real bad. I wouldn't say scrape, like I literally like, it was a gash. I was moving a box in the garage and it, you know, it got me pretty good. But ever since I got this, I keep hitting my thumb in the exact same spot. Like, what is that about? Why does that happen? Because I'm pretty sure I don't hit my thumb any other time besides this time right now. This is just some trash. This hair is giving off a very natural density. Do I want to keep it simple with just a gloss? This is like my third bottle of this joint. I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can see. And y'all, she's still glueless, okay? Okay, so Simone here in 20 inches is a look. And for this to be 150% density, I'm not mad at this at all. This density is giving very much fullness. And let me show y'all the side action, okay? And there we go. And then to the back. I think this hair deserves a slow-mo. Okay, listen. Do I want to do highlight? I mean, but I could do some blush. Just a little bit, just to put some color back into my face. Okay, do a little burgundy joint right there. Like that. This is a cute look, whether for the holidays or for an everyday. Like, I feel like this is a very easy unit to style and pretty much go out the door. Kenny about to get these looks, okay? Date night about to be on and popping, you hear me? So definitely shout out one more time to HayQueenCrowns for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for this unit as well as Gladys's video down below, so make sure you guys check them out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.